Welcome to my channel. This is Profiting Forex Trading channel. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, kindly make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you like my video. And that's the only thing I need from you. The indicators are free, except one on this chart that is not free. If you need it, you can buy it from the seller. I am not the seller, and you can find alternatives to this particular indicator online, and it's not even compulsory that you use it with this strategy. And I'm going to test this strategy with or without this particular paid indicator. Now let's go on to today's business. This is a simple strategy that anyone can use. I added few indicators to this particular chart so that we'll be able to see it clearly, and it is profitable. So I have tested it and it is profitable, and that's why I'm sharing it. So this is how I trade it. As I said, there's one indicator that is not free, and this is this indicator with this orange color. Is order block indicator. So it is a paid indicator. You can get it from the buyer or from the seller rather. I'm not the seller, I'm just using it. I bought it few months ago. So let me take it out of this trade so that you see how we are going to use it without this particular indicator. It's market reversal alert, that's the name. And let me delete it for now. Now this is the strategy without the indicator. As I said, it is not compulsory that you use that particular indicator. So this is how this particular strategy works. I have this indicator that turns from yellow to aqua color. It turns to yellow, it is for sell, and the aqua color is for buy. Now I placed this trade about a few minutes ago. As you can see, I have a running trade right now. And why did I place the trade? I placed this trade because the indicators, they are all in agreement. The number one indicator here, this turn to aqua color from yellow, it turns to aqua color. And I have the PTL indicator here, this green color, and the other color here turns from yellow to white also, or to aqua color. It depends on the color you want, to aqua color here at this particular point. So it turns to aqua color here at this particular point. So in agreement with the down one, this one, and the PTA. And when you check the TD I indicator, the two line crossed the yellow line here, coming from the down, from the bottom, and crossed it above the two lines. So everything was in agreement at this particular point. So let me show you where we have every of this indicator in agreement. So at this point we have all the indicators in agreement. So I place this particular trade. As you can see right now, here is my stop loss. My stop loss is 50 pips below the previous low, and here is where I'm targeting. But I'm going to use I'm going to trade my profit soon, so that will lock in part of my profit. So let me show you the profit. For now, I just placed the trade. This is just $15 and still running. So I'm going to disconnect so that we will be able to see the history of this particular indicator or this strategy. So this is how you use it. It is not difficult. Just make sure the indicators are in agreement. The MACD, the two line of MACD, the green and the red, they are both the yellow color. Then the other indicator turns from yellow to aqua color for a buy, and this is just all you need. Just make sure it turns to from yellow to aqua color for a buy. The PTL turn to green. PTL does not repaint to once the candle close, and the TDI line, the two lines cross above the yellow for a buy, and for a sell it must close cross below. Here we have a cross also. This is a sell signal that was generated here. We have the two, all the indicators in agreement at this particular point. This is where we have it at this particular point. So at this point you can place your trade. At this point you can place your trade, and here is another buy at this particular point. This cross above here, the TDI indicator cross above, and all the indicators are in agreement, and this is a good rise. So this is how I use this particular strategy, and the other indicator is order finder, but this is a support and resistance indicator. You can find any that will do the same thing on internet, and if you want this one, I have included it in the file so that you can download it and use it. So let me just explain this without the paid indicator, since I do not want you to start spending money until you start making money. So you can use the free one that will still give you good result, and that's why I've compiled this together right now. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so. It's very accurate strategy. Just follow the simple rule and you'll be fine. Now let me show you the setting for each of these indicator, what I have on the indicator list. So I have this particular indicator, orange pips daily scalper, and here is just the setting. The signal is 1, SL underscore pips is 20. Alert, I just turn it off, I don't need it. Then any other thing you want, you can change it, but this is what I use, and these are the color, the aqua and the yellow, and this is what you saw on the chart. So once you've done the setting, just click OK, and the other indicator also is almost the same thing, but here at the setting, the history is 1000. Alert, I turn it off too, and the buy signal color is aqua, and the set signal color is gold. So you do not need to change any other thing. Once you do that, just click OK, and the other indicator is this symbol changer that I have explained how to use it in many of my videos, though there's no need of going over it again. And here is PTL indicator. I need only the ball, the red and the lime color only, and that's why I turn all the other color off. So and here is the setting. You can play with the setting also, but this is what I am using. Slow length is 7 and the fast length is 3. So and the time frame is current time frame. So this is just the setting. Once you've done that, you can click OK. Just enter the value and click OK. Then the other indicator is this order block finder by account. I have shared his Telegram group in one of my videos. So here are the settings. So this works just like a support and resistance indicator. So these are the value, and then you can just set it up accordingly. You can set it up accordingly. So once you are done, just click OK. You don't have anything to change here except you want all the alert they pop up, but if you do not need it, just click OK. And the last indicator here is a TDI indicator. I know most of us, we are familiar with it, and these are the value. It's just the default setting. The only thing I turn off is the band. I do not need the band. So volatility band, blue line that's supposed to be there, the up and the lower band, I turn it off. I do not need the band in this particular strategy, and this is how I use it. So once you've done that, just click OK, and everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. So you can try it on any pair you want, and it's going to deliver. Just follow the simple rule, it will deliver. You can see it doing fine. So this is a good strategy that anyone can use, and this is it on 15 minutes. Make sure you follow the simple rule, and you can use it on any time frame you want. And here is NJ, give us good run. This is FJ, this is good run. As you can see it, once they are in agreement, please place your trade. This is from the support zone, and this is for buy. Also we have this for buy. Every other thing in agreement, just play with it, follow the rule, do not trade against the simple rule I just gave you. Make sure all the indicators are in agreement. This stuff from aqua to gold, the both line on the main chart, TDI, the two line cross below the yellow color, and then we have PTI indicator in agreement. Once you have everything in agreement, just place your trade and stop loss below the previous high or the previous low, as the case might be. So this is all I want to share with you today. The download link is in the video description. Make sure you download it, and do make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so already, and give me a thumb up for sharing this profitable strategy. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader Joe, and bye for now.